Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. First, center the printhead carriage and remove the screws from the cover to access. Remove the cover. Press the clamps to stop the ink flow. Disconnect all cables. Remove the dampers and set them aside. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws to take out the printhead. Once removed, disconnect the cables. Now, insert the new printhead. First, connect both cables on the sides. When connecting the cables, make sure they are straight. Once the cables are connected to the printhead, secure them with tape. Place the new printhead in position and screw it in. When screwing in the printhead, ensure it is flat. Insert all screws without fully tightening them, adjusting them slightly. Once all screws are in place, level the printhead and give the final turns to secure them evenly. Reinsert the dampers. Screw the ink separator back in place. Reconnect the data cables. Finally, place the printhead carriage cover back on and screw it in.